What is up, everyone? Back again with another reaction video, and finally doing episode 3 of She-Hulk. I know it's a little bit late, but I've had plenty of stuff to do this week, so so that's why. And also sorry if I sound a little bit weird in this one. I'm having a little bit of a cold, but I sound like I need to do it now, because otherwise I will never get to it, and I want to watch this episode. So finally, here we go, episode 3 time, and the last episode ended off in a little bit of a bad situation for Jen. So let's for Jennifer. So let's see where this goes with Abomination and everything involved with that. So here we go, season 1, episode 3. Like, for the people against Emil Blonsky, right? Let's go. I need to find it. So, get up the volume a little bit so you can hear. It was very low. And hopefully goes through.
You want to explain to me why you failed to mention that you not only escaped from prison, but you were also recorded doing so? You said to my face that you never turn into the Abomination anymore.
No, I said I choose not to. These were extenuating circumstances.
You understand that this constitutes another crime and totally destroys your chances at parole?
What? No, because I was forced to leave my cell, but I returned of my own free will.
Who forced you to escape this insanely high security prison
Wrong.
undetected?
A sorcerer supreme of the mystic arts, and his name is
Wong. Just
Wong.
Wong. And his internet presence is a little chaotic. He's either a sorcerer who lives in New York or a librarian who lives in Nepal.
Can you get to him?
Yes, Jen, it's me. Of course I can get to him. I sent a first draft. It was a picture of me with a bunch of books.
I just hope that he calls back. You know, if Blonsky's telling the truth, this guy busted him out of his prison cell and probably ruined my entire case. I know you can't wait to see Wong. I get it. I want to make sure that you don't think this is one of those cameo every week type of shows. It's not.
Really?
Except Bruce. And Blonsky. And Wong.
Yeah.
Just remember whose show this actually is.
Yeah. We get it. We know.
The news has stirred up much controversy.
Since it's been revealed that Jennifer Walters has a superhero alter ego called She-Hulk, the stats
The whole banquet way. But then they gave it to a woman?
Yes. Yes, this. I love it. I love that they're making this stuff. All the dumb
prosecutor who put the Abomination away all those years ago. Gideon, first I would like
and
to say
babies from online always complaining about everything. I'm glad that they're making fun of it like that. It's really, that's great.
I don't care what anybody says about me. There's something in this country called due process. Emil deserves a fair hearing.
You have to respond. You have to be in control of your own narrative.
People only care because I'm representing Emil Blonsky. Once that's over, this whole media circus will die down.
No, Jen, this is not going to go away just because you're ignoring it.
Every minute I spend on this crap is one less minute I spend focusing on my job.
Ooh.
Dennis!
no, what? Not Jen Walters.
Oh no.
Head of the
Not
superhero
Dennis.
lot of it.
We have too much history for me to be comfortable with her on the case.
I would love to know what this is about and not work on it.
You wanted to see me?
Ah, yes, Mallory Book is also in the superhuman law division. He's been defrauded by an ex-girlfriend and wants to file a suit against her to get his money back.
Bought her jewelry. Flew her to Bali for a photo shoot. Paid off her Volkswagen Passat.
Subscribe.
Why the superhuman law division?
The girlfriend in question is a shape-shifting light elf from New Asgard.
Oh.
Okay, well, to be fair,
Okay.
I was dating Megan Thee Stallion.
I'm sorry, what? Sorry, you thought you were dating Megan Thee Stallion? A multiple Grammy Award winner, megastar Megan Thee Stallion?
Oh god.
I thought she drove up a song.
Or you see, this is why I don't want Walters.
So sorry.
Yeah. Oh, here we go.
Receive the message.
We'll get back to
Mr.
Megan Thee
Wong.
Stallion later.
Great
But it's
entrance.
something,
Perfect time.
but
I
we'll
really need to take
get
this.
back to that today.
Thank you. Pug,
I was like,
good luck. Dennis?
Everything Mr. Blonsky told you is factual. From the prison, against his own wishes, because I required a worthy opponent as part of my training to become Sorcerer Supreme.
Ah,
As
okay.
Sorcerer Supreme, I insist that he not be punished for my actions.
So that's why he did.
I'm not the one who will be punishing him. The parole board will not release him after seeing this video.
I know what you're thinking, Miss Porthos. I'm not erasing everything.
That's not what I was thinking.
Not again.
Highly unethical.
It wasn't even you doing it.
Also, very
Or maybe he has
much
done this, I've done too.
We'll send him to the mirror dimension.
I don't know what that is, but no.
Oh
Shadow
god.
dimension?
What you can do to help is show up at the hearing and explain.
It's always
Very well. Wizards, sorcerers,
like
strategy.
solutions
Don't
just
tap your
magic related.
So, Mr. Bukowski, how much money in cash and gifts did you spend on the Megan Thee Stallion imposter?
Oh man.
Oh god.
How about I just say
Imposter,
a
huh?
number and you tell me higher or lower, okay?
So, are you gonna help me or not?
I'm gonna start building a case and I will be in touch, Mr. Bukowski.
Mm.
Change of heart. I'm gonna drop the case.
Wait, just now?
The truth is, I think somewhere deep inside, I know.
Oh, this is
You know, I get those things because I wanted to. I was just embarrassed to get found out in such a public way. But at some point in time,
Oh,
I
no.
had to take personal responsibility. I have to say, this is unexpected. Well, it's just money after all.
it's not
And now I have a.
it's not him. That's the other.
Security!
Yep.
I love harassing women in the workplace. It's my kick, baby.
Oh no.
Be a war.
Yo, this is just.
You guys know me.
Wait, is that her? She-Hulk, can we get a word? Is it true you were rejected by the Avengers?
What?
Jennifer Walters, also known as She-Hulk, rumored to have been rejected by the
Oh,
Avengers.
come on. Yeah, that's pretty much how media is. Just picking up, just hearing something somewhere else and just picking up and running with it.
We are
Here today to determine whether Emil Blonsky is suitable for return to society after having served his minimum sentence. In light of recent evidence of a prison escape, I think we all know how this is going to go. So let's keep this brief.
We do have a witness who is able to clear Mr. Blonsky of any wrongdoing on his part.
Then we'll start with that then.
Well, yes, the witness is prepared to give a statement after Mr. Blonsky gives his.
Are we?
I'd like to start by saying that I feel
Mhm.
great remorse,
Okay.
great shame to those that I've harmed. So to answer your question, yes, I feel I have been rehabilitated. I've spent every day of my incarceration focused
Look at all those in the background, his phone.
I changed emotionally, physically, metaphysically, spiritually, karmically, cosmically, interdimensionally.
Etc. What Mr. Blonsky is trying to say is that the man you see before you is not the same Emil Blonsky as before. Blonsky does own a plot of land on which he plans to work and reside.
Mm-hmm.
He's going into farming.
No, actually, he plans to open a meditation retreat on the property, which is very, you know.
And how does Mr. Blonsky intend to
Yeah,
fund
that's
this
sounds like a perfect
endeavor?
plan.
Mr. Blonsky is currently in a long-term committed relationship with several pen pals, all of whom have
Oh,
pledged
God.
to financially support him.
If I could clarify,
No.
Blair, Ruth, Marta, Sheila, Alejandra,
Oh, no.
Yvonne, and Nicolette
Give
are
us all the
my
names.
soulmates. We met through the prison pen pal program. They are my
They're dedicated,
aides.
because that's why they're there.
Love you.
I don't think we need to get into that any further.
Toilet wine. Prisoners make toilet kombucha.
What?
I really should.
Either of those don't sound good.
Carl.
Neither of those sound good.
Okay, we're done with Carl.
That all? Because there's still the matter of Mr. Blonsky's escape.
Oh yeah, there we go. Did you get to that, huh? Yeah. Right on cue.
My apologies, Miss Miss Walters, Emil.
Ah, finally.
I lost track of time.
I'm sure he did.
Wong here today because he is the man responsible for Emil Blonsky leaving prison. And I do think you will see this whole thing in a totally different light after hearing from him.
Have you ever heard of a kumite?
I'd like to move for dismissal of all charges against my client.
On what ground?
Runa is the daughter of an elfin diplomat on Asgard and now in New Asgard. As such, she has diplomatic immunity.
She may have diplomatic immunity in New Asgard, but we are not in New Asgard.
Excuse me, Your Honor, but Asgard is not a place. It is a people.
Thor's inspirational speeches are not admissible in court.
No rational adult would have believed my client's texts were from the real Megan Thee Stallion. Mr. Bukowski knew he was dating Miss Runa.
There's a lot of idiots out there.
No longer suited him.
Who'll believe anything.
This was a roulette, not a scam.
Mr. Bukowski was blinded by love. He absolutely believed that he was dating the real Megan Thee Stallion. I must say, I find it hard to believe that Mr. Bukowski could be fooled so easily.
Oh.
This is a motion to dismiss is denied. Crush that. When this is over, I'm canceling my Hollywood hookup subscription. There's clearly no vetting process.
Well.
In light of some new information I've just received, I'm changing my ruling.
Oh, come on, Runa. This is getting a little broad.
Impersonating a judge is illegal. Get down from there.
In regard to Mr. Blonsky vacating his cell, I gave him no choice. But it was absolutely his choice to return. I offered him asylum at the Kamar-Taj, which is truly lovely this time of the year. But he was quite adamant he'd be returned to serve out his sentence and repay his debt to society.
Thank you. So, you see, Emil Blonsky was forced out of his cell against his will. And even when offered instant freedom, he chose to return to his cell. These are not the actions of a criminal, but of a reformed man who truly wants to do the right thing.
Wait.
Maybe. Excuse me? If I could just put your minds at ease.
Oh, well, here we go.
Oh, no, absolutely.
Oh, he's gonna do it.
No. What? Emil.
Oh, God. Emil, please.
No, force is not necessary.
As you can see, I'm in full control.
That's enough! Chase back now! Please, ladies and gentlemen, I beg you to forgive Mr. Blonsky's
Yeah, that was a little bit.
He didn't intend
Too much.
to frighten anyone. In fact, this proves that in every instance, Mr. Blonsky could have broken free, but has chosen to remain in his cell. As his stellar prison record reflects, Mr. Blonsky spent his entire incarceration practicing a strict regimen of training and self-discipline so that he may walk among his fellow citizens with no chance of becoming a rampaging abomination again. He deserves a future as a free man and a productive citizen.
Thank you, Miss Walters. We will adjourn for today and consider all of the facts. We will reconvene once a decision has been reached. And please, let's get this man some clothes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And as for Mr. Wong, just Wong, the Sorcerer Supreme, master of the mystic arts, leader and former librarian of Kamar-Taj.
Yeah,
You realize that you've just admitted to facilitating a prisoner escape, which is a crime.
I must depart.
Yeah, exactly. You're not gonna be arresting Wong. That's not gonna happen.
Is there anything to the room that Dr. Powers from the Mafia has gone wrong? What? That was Jennifer Walters rushing by, undoubtedly hoping to avoid the protesters that are gathered just outside the gates here.
Thank you. Hard pass. I cannot wait for this to be over so I can go back to being a normal, anonymous lawyer who also happens to be a Hulk.
What are you talking about? Jen, the genie is out of the bottle, girl. You are a story now.
Yeah. It's gonna be hard to be normal.
Oh my god, you're pregnant with the Abomination's baby. And you're such a little baby.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Dennis Bukowski.
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
You're gonna need that.
Yeah, that's...
Connecting the A and B story. Nice.
Yeah.
The man is almost terminally deluded.
I'd call him gross.
Yeah.
Mm.
Hey, would you be willing to say that under oath?
I swear the testimony I'm about to give today is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Mm.
Hey, Peter, how is Jen our best option? I gave you a whole list of my boys. Jen is gonna help us clinch this. Trust me.
Mm.
Miss Wall,
Let's see.
how would you describe your relationship to Mr. Bukowski?
We worked together for several years at the DA's office.
Would you say that you know Mr. Bukowski fairly well?
Definitely. We worked regularly on cases together, so spent a lot of time with Mr. Bukowski.
Time she would like to get back from.
He once described himself as a New York 10 and an LA 11. He nicknamed his office the Dentisphere.
Objection. Relevance.
Mr. Bukowski, need I remind you that you're not representing yourself here? And this is your witness.
Yeah,
But I
dumb.
agree. Mr. Pugliese, get to your point.
Stop.
It's been stated many times in this courtroom that a man of reasonable
You look more
intelligence
silly
would
than
think that he was dating the
Amber Heard's
real
lawyer.
Megan Thee Stallion. In your opinion, Miss
Give them
Walters,
a-
do you think that Dennis Bukowski would believe that he could actually pull Megan Thee Stallion?
Yes. Dennis Bukowski is an almost pathologically entitled man. He would absolutely believe that he's dating the real Megan Thee Stallion because he is truly that delusional.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Exactly. Oh god. Oh, this
In the
this
case
is
of
awesome.
Bukowski versus Bruna, I award full damages to Dennis Bukowski in the amount of
Mm.
$175,000. In addition, we also sentenced the defendant to 60 days for impersonating a judge.
No.
That's right. This is
Nah!
Megan Thee Stallion.
There she is.
Hey, do you guys think I have a shot with the real Megan Thee Stallion? Should I go back? No.
No.
Remove her powers and make sure she doesn't victimize anyone else.
Oh, did Dennis Bukowski just give me an idea?
Hmm.
That will stay between us.
Yeah. Not nobody has to know that. Promise won't though.
After reviewing his record, we hereby grant Mr. Blonsky's release on parole effective immediately.
There you go.
As a condition of his parole, Mr. Blonsky is prohibited from turning into Abomination indefinitely. And is ordered to wear an inhibitor in perpetuity. Any violation of this condition will result in his immediate return to prison.
Understood. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I'm in your debt. Spiritually, of course.
Just stay out of the news. That's all I ask. I don't want to read any more stories about either of us.
Well, you might want
Yeah.
to consider that. I mean, they're going to write a story about you one way or the other. You know? Better to be part of it.
Yeah. Right, better be a part of it
Is now a
than
free man.
just let him
With us in
just do
studio,
anything.
The lawyer responsible for his
That is
release,
true.
She-Hulk.
Yeah, my name's Jennifer Walters, not She-Hulk. And my client's name is Emil Blonsky, not the Abomination.
Got it. The high-profile nature of this case and the fact that you yourself are a Hulk has catapulted you into the public eye. So tell us, how did you come up with the name She-Hulk?
Oh, funny story. I didn't. Some random guy on the news came up with it after thinking about it for like 2 seconds, but
Yeah.
it stuck. So now whether I like it or not, I am forever She-Hulk.
Great. We have to take a break. When we come back, She-Hulk shares her diet and exercise secrets.
What?
What?
What? Oh god. Come on. The most dumbest information you have. Yeah, nothing. Oh, here we go. I don't think people are pissed off, but they did hell in this. These guys are usually they're dumbasses.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, exactly. What is it? The wrecking crew, they're
Get off me.
just another version, come on. They're usually getting beat up anyways in the comics
Showing
too.
off your powers, you better be able to back it up.
When did I ever strut around and show off my powers? Did you guys rob an Asgardian construction worker?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh god, that's great. How's on? Oh, this is great. I love it. Oh, come on. Yeah, very bad idea.
Okay, fellas, I admit that did not go exactly as I imagined it. Thunderball.
How do you think you
Get
would?
it now.
Go.
Where's turn into shield? I couldn't pierce that nasty green skin. Damn it! Boss is gonna be mad.
Oh yeah. That's so. Oh, yeah. There's something being set up here, definitely. They're working with someone. Well, we'll see. But what an episode, man. Wow. Okay, here we go. Let's see.
Hey, there's my new favorite client. just your signature there. And then just initials.
Yep.
Good. And initials up here.
This is what Megan Thee Stallion, huh? Oh, here we go. This is it. He's like, oh, okay.
You are way
The moves.
than my last lawyer. I will kill for you, Megan Thee Stallion. Solid back.
Yeah, let's go. Oh god. That post-credit scene made a lot of people pissed off. A lot of those rightful people pissed off because just for a lot of different reasons. I think it's just so dumb and so silly. It's I can't. That's why I got it followed, because there was a lot of shit on Twitter. Just it's really annoying. It's really annoying. For me personally, I have nothing against that. It's just normal fun. It's a comedy show. There's nothing with that is really insulting, really. But yeah, a great episode overall. Really fun, really cool, and you can see that they're trying to introduce more different stuff here and there. They're trying to set things up slowly, and I've heard that they're trying to maybe gonna introduce more in the coming episode. There will be like some more hints towards mutants as well, and stuff like that slowly. So there's a lot of things that this show can really bring, and I'm excited to see what more it will happen. We're just 3 episodes in. There's 6 episodes left of this stuff. Like, so the 6 coming weeks are gonna be very interesting to see what more they will do. It's gonna be very, very interesting to see how they will handle it, how they will really bring this all together. And you know, there's a lot of surprises left to come as well, for sure. So yeah, but overall this episode was great. The things with Blonsky and Wong, really fun, really cool. Blonsky's free, so we'll see what happens with him, if he appears more, if he does something in this show, or maybe that sets up something. Maybe he will join the Thunderbolts or other things like that. I don't know, but we'll just have to wait and see what that really brings. It's a comedy show. That's what it's supposed to be. It's a different style in the MCU, and I'm glad that they're doing different stuff. They're doing different stuff now to be more, to make it more broader. It's not just the same thing over and over again, and that's a good thing. But some people cannot see that, because otherwise people will be complaining, oh, the MCU is just the same thing over and over again. They're not innovative, not trying other things. Well, no, this is trying other things. This and Miss Marvel, and to some extent also Moon Knight and Loki and other things like that. There's different types of things in each show, really. They're trying new things, and that is really cool. I really enjoyed that. And of course, this is not going to be for everybody. Not everybody is going to enjoy it as member. And that's okay. That's normal. Not everything is for everybody. That wouldn't make any sense. That then it wouldn't be, anything wouldn't be even be fun then. Of course, not everybody's going to enjoy it. Not everybody's going to watch it. And that's okay. Because you can go and watch something else. There will be other things. I'm pretty sure Moon Knight was good. For more action packed if you want that, more mysterious, right? And freaking that was more mysterious, it was more whole like mystery and like mystical stuff like that. Miss Marvel was more for the younger audience, a little bit more kind of teen young kind of stuff. This is more mostly women centric, but still has a funny comedic edge to it as well. So it's different, each for everyone, you know. You don't have to like everything, but you have to also understand that it's not just it's not trying to pander to anything, and not trying to be anything, like it's not a bad thing. You have to just accept it that some people do like it. If you don't, that's fine, but you have to accept that other people do, and other people can see this as a really great show. And I can't wait for these next 6 episodes and really see what more they can give us. But yeah, that's gonna do it for now. I hope you guys did enjoy this reaction. If you did, leave a like down below, and also subscribe if you've not done that already, and ring the notification bell to get notified next time I upload reactions and unboxings and everything and stuff like that. And yeah, that's gonna do it. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.